My name's Aaron Cairo. I'm a sponsored skateboarder from the San Francisco Bay Area. And today, I'm gonna teach you how to do a step-off sow flip. I don't totally know what this trick is called, but it's cool. I love it. I do it all the time, and it's really fun. And I'm gonna give you all the steps breakdown so you, yes you, can learn how to do this trick. And when your friends say, anything counts game of skate, you can crush them with this trick alone. Just do all variations of this trick. Okay, you ready? So what the trick is, I gotta set down this camera, I'm gonna show you a couple. So what the trick is really, is you're gonna pop the board into your hand. Your hand is gonna be like this, thumb up, and then it's gonna go like that. And you're gonna catch it on this part of the board right there. And then you're gonna turn it. The hardest part to understand is probably that turn. Pop it, turn it around, drop it like that. That's it, super simple. Okay, I'm gonna show you that with a better angle. So front hand, like that, and you're gonna put it down rather close to the board. And you're first gonna practice just like catching the board like that. Pop your tail with your back foot, and catch it in your hand just like that. This is also crucial. Like when I'm skating down the street, if I ever need to get up a curb, here, that time my thumb is down and I catch it like this. Boom. And you just step on top of or over whatever obstacle. But if you want to do the sow flip thingy, which is super cool, you're gonna have your hand that way. You're gonna go like this, and watch. And now, here's the trick. You're gonna turn it. It almost does like a 360 like that. And then your front foot goes on. So you're rolling, hand down, pop it up, and then it's gonna turn around. You can do these as different steps. Turn it around and drop it with your front foot on. So this is you can take your front foot, good little practice step, you can pop it up, have your hand here, pop it up, catch that nose, rotate it, and then put your front foot back on it. Do this 5 times or more until you're really, really, really comfortable with that. And then do it with your back foot. Pop back foot popped, front foot land. The big thing to get here is probably just this. And you're controlling your board and you can kind of hold it in your hand as best you can, right? So watch, roll. I don't even know what this is called, guys. I think, like I said, maybe like a sow flip kind of thingy. I'm gonna set this camera down and do some of the angles for you. Okay, you ready? Now rolling. It's good because you can control it under your feet with your hand. And if you want to take this up a curb, you can. Oh, I missed that. That's part of what can go wrong. You can miss the board and that's okay. You just try again. Let's take it to a curb. Okay, you ready? Take it to a curb situation out here in the street where you're rolling, you're rocking and rolling, and you're like. Another thing is, who cares how many times you step, right? Just run if you need to. Just run all up the stairs or whatever it needs to be. Let's do it again. Boom, boom. That's how it goes. It's a really fun little maneuver to do just skating down the street. You can do it also like running upstairs or like over an obstacle. So skating in San Francisco, we have a lot of these trolleys. So right in the middle of the street here, there's these trolley tracks like that. So a lot of times what I'm gonna do is pop my board up and hold it in my hand over that. This is a slick skill. Ready? So I'm down on this one. Because bro, these tracks will catch you off guard and they'll take you out. Okay, you ready? Now we're gonna spin it. Hopefully I filmed that. I have no idea if I'm capturing any of this. Okay, nice. Then you're just cruising. Okay, ready? Curb coming up. Got it, nailed it. 2-stair. Go right up on top of the 2-stair with it. Another one that I would do in the game of skate is I would do this like 2 manual or off a curb, off a 2-stair. Like every scenario you can think of, you can do this trick in. So we got a curb it here. Nice, perfect curb. We're gonna go, pop the board, drop it down. I'll go up and down for you on this. That's up, and we turn around and down. Woo! Okay, just a couple more scenarios I want to show you guys with this trick. Now these ledges are cool. Okay, another one is if I'm skating down the street and there's a large set of stairs and I have to get up it somehow. Okay, we're gonna do this one here. You ready? Down, up the curb, but then up the stairs. You ready? I swear, this is the most versatile skill to go anywhere on your skateboard. You're rolling, you pop this board into your hands and you're away. Up the stairs, down the stairs. Okay, ready? Let's go down. See? See how that works? So good. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you're having fun, so much fun, just getting out there riding, pushing, and enjoying your skateboard. You don't have to do every trick. You don't have to master every trick to have fun. But once you start going out there and rolling and just getting the freedom, feeling the wind in your hair and pushing, you are gonna have more and more and more fun, and you're gonna progress better, faster, and then you are going to learn every trick, which is so incredible. So I wanna make all these really basic beginner tutorials. I wanna push everyone to just get out there and enjoy skateboarding and help other people enjoy skateboarding too. Help push them to learn how to do the next step, the next trick, and just build a good community of skateboarders. Have fun learning, guys. We'll see you in the next video.